this joy we bring. Life's like a river, gentle and slow. With you my world begins to grow. Mountains high and valleys low, we'll ride this wave, let our spirits grow. In the calm of the night, under stars so bright, our hearts beat together, pure delight. One love, how we feel the rhythm in the air. Hold my hand, we'll make a perfect pair. With every sunrise and every moonlight, we find our way through the night. Unity is our sacred song. In this harmony where we belong, together we'll rise through highs and lows. We love that forever flows. Morning dew on the leaves so green, life's tapestry, a beautiful scene. A journey with you on the sacred quest. Life's chapters unfolding, love is best. Mountains high and valleys low, we'll ride this wave, let our spirits grow. In the calm of the night, under stars so bright, our hearts beat together, pure delight. One love, how we feel the rhythm in the air. Hold my hand, we'll make a perfect pair. With every sunrise and every moonlight, we find our way through the night. Unity is our sacred song. In this harmony where we belong, together we'll rise through highs and lows. We find our way through the night. One love, we feel the rhythm in the air. Hold my hand, we'll make a perfect pair. With every sunrise and every moonlight, we find our way through the night, 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 through the night. One love, feel the rhythm in the air. Hold my hand, we'll make a perfect pair. With every sunrise and every moonlight, with love that forever flows through the night. Underneath the rainbow sky we roll. Feel the warmth of love that's truly whole. Whispering secrets to the night. Peace in our hearts glowing bright. We found solace in each other's arms. Life blooming free from all the harms. Holding hands and walking slow. In this world kindness grows. Singing love through peace today. Let it flow and drift away. Every heart will find its place. In this world we all embrace. Sun sets, but the spirit stays awake. In the rhythm of every beat we make. Your laughter echoes strong and free. Love's a wave on a boundless sea. Each moment here feels like a dream. A tender touch, a living stream. Night or day we hold the key to a love that's wild and free. Singing love through peace today. Let it flow and drift away. Every heart will find its place. In this groove we all embrace. Each moment here feels like a dream. A tender touch, a living stream. Night or day we hold the key to a love that's wild and free. breeze in my soul, it's a brand new day. Heart beats like a drum, takes my fears away. In the land of love, we can always stay. With peace in our hearts, we find a brighter way. Under starlit skies, the dancing moonbeams light. In this vast world, we blend wrong with right. Embrace me now, let's end this endless fight. Together we shine in the dark of night. One love, one heart, we're soaring free, with the roots of eternity guiding me. In peace and harmony, we'll always be. Loving you always through the stormy sea. One love, one heart, we're soaring free, with the roots of eternity guiding me. In peace and harmony, we'll always be. Loving you always through the stormy sea. Raindrops fall like blessings from above. In the rhythm of life, we find our true love. Life's a journey when we push and shove. Hand in hand we'll rise on the wings of a dove. Stories of old, they spit by the wind. With you, my friend, the healing will begin. In a world unknown, our love won't rescind. Pure and wild like leaves in the spin. One love, one heart, we're soaring free, with the roots of eternity guiding me. In peace and harmony, we'll always be. Loving you always through the stormy sea. One love, one heart, we're soaring free, with the roots of eternity guiding me. In peace and harmony, we'll always be. Loving you always through the stormy sea.
Life's a puzzle piece falling right in place. In the arms of love, we find our grace. Together forever, under stars we glide. In the dance of life, let's enjoy the ride. Peace in the morning as the sun does rise. Whisper to the world, hear our cries. Unity bloom where hate couldn't stay. Holding hands, we'll find a brand new way. Spread the love, no matter what's the cost. In every heartbeat, you'll never be lost. Our souls connect in perfect harmony. Underneath the sky so wild and free. Every struggle brings a lesson to learn. Through the pain we find ways to return. Back to each other, holding tight and strong. Sing our song where we both belong. Breathe in the light, let it fill your soul. Together we'll make each other whole. Darkness fades when hearts unite. Love will guide us to eternal light. Spread the love, no matter what's the cost. In every heartbeat, you'll never be lost. Our souls connect in perfect harmony. Underneath the sky so wild and free.
Woke up this morning with a smile on my face. Sunshine is calling, got no time to waste. We got each other in this world full of strife. Peace, love, and unity is the meaning of life. Hold my hand, darling, let's walk through the fear. Every step closer when you are near. Whisper sweet nothings in the breeze we glide. Under one sky, let's enjoy the ride. Peace, love, and unity is our song. We'll keep on singing all night long. Through the ups and the downs, we'll stay strong. Together forever, where we belong. Life's a riddle with no answers so clear. But with you, babe, there's nothing to fear. We'll dance in the moonlight, hearts intertwined. In the garden of love, our souls align. When the dark clouds gather and the world feels cold, we'll warm it up with stories untold. Rest your worries, let your mind be free. In your eyes I find my sanctuary. Peace, love, and unity, that's our song. We'll keep on singing all night long. Through the ups and the downs, we'll stay strong. Together forever, where we belong. When the dark clouds gather and the world feels cold, we'll warm it up with stories untold. Rest your worries, let your mind be free. In your eyes I find my sanctuary. Peace, love, and unity, that's our song. We'll keep on singing all night long. Through the ups and the downs, we'll stay strong. Together forever, where we belong.